everyone. I wanted to do a review of this bag to see exactly how useful this beautiful bag is. This is the Christian Dior Lady Dior bag in light beige Cannage pattern. This was from the year 2011. I got her pre-loved from Fashion File. In a separate video I describe how I restored her and looks brand new. I used a magic eraser on these 4 squares that had dark color transfer stains, and I had the before pictures that I got from Fashion File and screenshotted them, and used the leather conditioner real quick right after, and I've had no problems with the leather, and actually looks just like the other Cannage squares. So very, very, very happy that I was able to restore her. And the corner edges that we cleaned up together all look very, very good as well. This is in the light beige color with the silver hardware, and she's absolutely beautiful and actually very useful. I enjoy how she carries. She's not heavy, and I can transition from work to a date or a formal event with no problems. I would just remove the strap if I just wanted to carry it like Lady Diana did, or I can use the strap if I need hands-free carrying. Let's get started. I've used her consistently all last week just to see how she'd work, and she works great. I don't have trouble at all with things spilling out. The way the opening is, it has a very easy zipper, no problems at all. I also like that if I'm at a place where the ground is wet or dirty, she has 4 metal feet which keep her off of the ground. I have had no problems at all with worrying about scratching her or harming her. I use her pretty much every day, and I've worn her in the rain as well, no problems. The drop length of these handles is perfect, and I don't find them to be too small or too big. I also like that whenever you wear the strap, these handles stay up and they don't flop down. It just gives it a very clean look. I enjoy using this bag every day because I don't have to hunt for things. Literally, this is how I will put, this is how much room you have, and I enjoy how the opening closes like this. So it closes over the top like a tent, and then the zipper is very, very easy to use. So that's how that zipper looks. It's really, really cool. It's just a flat kind of tent. So no rain gets in there, even if you don't close it all the way. No rain gets in there, no snow. And this is how I stack my stuff in here, and I keep it organized for everyday use. What I'll do is I'll start with Clement's wallet. I put her on the very front inside at the bottom. Then I put the mini pochette next, and I've heard that the downfall to getting a mini pochette with designs is that over time this will start to wear off. So I usually put this somewhere where nothing rubs. So I'll put it, if you can see, I'm going to put it against the bag because it doesn't move as much that way than if I put it this way, and then it's going to rub against the other wallet. I don't want it to rub against the other wallet because over time this design will go away. So in the bag they're going to look like this. So that's how this is going to look. So I have those in that order like that. I scoot the mini pochette off to the side so that the mini pochette is like this, and then I put the 6-ring key holder right alongside. Very easy to find that way. So I'm going to put this against the bag like I talked about, not against the wallet, and then 6-ring key holder goes to the side. So that's the organization so far. Cell phone charger, which I use a lot, so I just pile that right into the top. Work key fob, mace, OPI nail polish in the Funny Bunny in case I want to get my nails done. My 2 work ID tags, iPhone 7 Plus extension, bobby pin, and then again my Michael Kors key holder with my driver's license and 2 credit cards. And that goes right in here. So whenever I want to pay for something, I literally just take it out, pay for it. I don't have to get this big old wallet out from the bottom. Even if I don't close it all the way, it's very hard for things to fall out. You still have to be careful. So I still will zip it if I think it's going to fall out of my car or fall off of my car seat. And don't forget, the cell phone goes in last. And this cell phone I can actually put in that little pocket as well so that I can reach for it really, really quickly. It won't close, but if I'm in a hurry, I've got a busy day, I just leave it open like this, and then I can grab my cell phone very easily to use it. So this is currently what I have in here, and all the things that I like to use the most I put in the little pocket that's at the top. I would love to hear from you guys how you pack your Lady Diors. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy watching these type of videos, please subscribe. I appreciate it.